In this video, I'll guide you through how to enhance photo quality in Photoshop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, try to upload your low quality photos on Photoshop. Then click on Image and select Image Size. Now you need to change wide and height in pixel. And click on Resolution and choose Pixels per inch. Now click on the sample drop-down box and choose Preset Details. And increase the resolution to 400. And reduce the noise to 100%. Now click on OK. Now you can navigate to the layer section and copy it by click Ctrl+J key. Now you need to select the copy layer and click on Filter and hover your mouse on Sharpen and select Unshape Marks. Now set up the amount to 80 and on a preference and set radius 10.0, wide preference and threshold to 16. Now click on OK. Again, click on Filter and hover your mouse on Others and choose High Pass. Now set radius 0.5 or a preference and click on OK. Now click on Layer and choose Blending option to the soft light. This is how you can easily enhance the photo quality in Adobe Photoshop.